Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here Muhammad Tayyib from Army Public School and College Khanewal. Your class is ninth. Your subject is physics. Week is 6 online sport program. Your topic is 2 and your subject teacher is Mr. Muhammad Tayyib. Today our topic is major sources of energy, the solar house heating and the solar cells. And our objective is at the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand solar house heating and solar cells. And day is 2. First of all, we will discuss our previous topic, energy from water and energy from the sun. Energy from water. Energy from water power is very cheap. Dams are being constructed at suitable location in different parts of the world. Dams serve many purposes. They help to control floods by storing water. The water stored in dam is used for irrigation and also to generate electrical energy without creating much environmental problem. Next one is energy from the sun. Solar energy is the energy coming from the sun and is used directly and indirectly. Sunlight does not pollute the environment in any way. The sun rays are the ultimate source of life on the earth. We are dependent on the sun for all our food and fuels. We find a suitable method to use a fraction of the solar energy reaching the earth, then it would be enough to fulfill our energy requirement. Next, we will come back to our today topic, solar house heating. The use of solar energy is not new. However, its use in house and office as well as for commercial industry purpose is quite recent. Complete solar house heating system are successfully used in areas with a minimum amount of sunshine in winter. A heating system consists of, there are three parts, a collector, a storage device, a distribution system. You can see that in this diagram shows a solar collector made of glass panels, our blank metal plates. The plates absorb the sun energy. You can see that in this diagram, this is a metal plate and these plates absorb the sun energy. Absorb the sun energy which heats a liquid flowing in the pipes at the back of the collector, which heats the liquid that is flowing in the pipe back of the liquid. These plates are absorbing the energy of the sun, and then this plate heat the water, then back side of the plates. The hot water can be used for cooking. The hot water can be used for cooking, washing, and heating the building. Solar energy used in solar cookers, solar distillation plants, solar power plants, etc. Now I will share you the animation about the solar house heating that is more helpful to you for learning.
Solar water heater. Solar water heater is a device used to heat water by trapping infrared radiations or heat radiations. Carefully observe the parts of a solar water heater. The solar water heater consists of an insulated box that is painted black from inside. In this box, copper pipes are fitted in the form of a coil. These copper pipes are painted black from outside. The box is covered with a glass lid to prevent the loss of heat due to convection and radiation. The ends of the pipe are connected to the storage tank. The cold water enters the storage tank from the bottom and flows into the copper tubes. The infrared radiations from the sun get trapped inside the box. As a result, water inside the copper pipes gets heated up, becomes lighter. The heavier cold water from the storage tank, which is at a relatively lower temperature, flows down into the copper pipes, and the hot water, that is lighter, flows into the storage tank. The circulation of water continues, and this process by which water gets heated is known as thermosiphon effect. Thus, we get hot water by trapping solar energy, which is renewable, non-polluting, and abundantly available.
Next one is solar cells. You can see that in this diagram, solar cells can also be converted directly into electricity by solar cells. A solar cell, also called photocell, is made from silicon wafers. When sunlight falls on the solar cell, it converts the light directly into electrical energy. Solar cells are used in calculator, watches, and toys. Large number of solar cells are wired together to form solar panels. Such panels can provide power to telephone booths, lights, houses, and scientific research centers. Solar panels are also used to power satellites. Several other methods to trap sun rays are underway. If scientists could find an efficient and inexpensive method to use solar energy, then the people would get clean, limitless energy as long as the sun continues to shine. Next is the animation about the solar cell that is more useful to you for learning.
Let us discuss. How does solar cell work? Imagine a very thin layer of N-type semiconductor. This is P-type semiconductor. Naturally, there is a p-n junction. This is the close view of the p-n junction. The depletion region of the junction is shown here. These are positive ions, and these are negative ions. Here, top N-type layer is very thin. It is about 1 micrometer thick. So, light photons can cross the layer and strike the junction. The energy of each light photon ranges from 2 to 3 electron volt, approximately. The band gap between valence band and conduction band is about 1.11 electron volt in silicon semiconductor at room temperature. Hence, light photon energy is sufficient to break covalent bond in the silicon atom to produce free electron-hole pair. This is because the energy associated with visible light photon will excite the valence electron to jump out to the conduction band as free electron, leaving a hole behind it.
Next is your assignment, learn and write solar house heating and solar cells. Thank you.